Welcome to Channel Name, where we explore everything you need to live your healthiest, happiest life. Today, we're talking about a hot topic that's not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice: superfoods. Have you ever wondered what makes these foods so super? Or why your body craves them daily? Well, in this video, we'll break it all down. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that support your overall health. These foods help bridge the nutrient gaps caused by processed foods and busy lifestyles. Here's why eating them daily is crucial. They boost immunity with natural defenses found in citrus fruits and garlic. They improve energy levels with slow-releasing energy from quinoa or chia seeds. They promote longevity with antioxidants and omega-3s found in foods like salmon and walnuts. Some top superfoods you should eat every day include blueberries, kale, chia seeds, turmeric, avocado, and green tea. Incorporating them is easy. Blend them into smoothies, toss them in salads, or sprinkle spices into meals you already love. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and superfoods are a great first step. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.
See you next time.